Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be checking out SVE's 2003-2004 Mach 1 style wheel that we have installed here on this Azure Blue Mach 1. So around the time of this video, we released the 17-inch version of the Mach 1 style wheel back in early 2021. So fast forward to today, here we are late 2023. And with good sales on the 17-inch version and good feedback on that, we now have the 18-inch version for those of you that prefer an 18-inch wheel. This particular Mach 1 style wheel, I think it speaks for itself in its design. It's a simple, iconic 5-spoke design and is very similar to the wheel that originally came on these cars, with a unique twist because of the added lip that we did for the front wheel and of course the back wheel. So the finish on the Mach 1 style wheel will be just like the 17-inch version. You'll have a machine face with a machine lip, and then the anthracite painted windows and hub area. And then of course each wheel is finished in a gloss clear coat. Now speaking of that clear coat, y'all have heard me talk about this in other wheel videos, and I'll touch base on it real quick in this one. Whenever you go to clean these things, don't use any acid-based cleaners, high alkaline cleaners or degreasers. I would stick to pH balanced cleaners, or if you're gonna use an alkaline cleaner, just make sure it's formulated or compatible for clear-coated wheels. The SVE 18-inch Mach 1 style wheel is constructed using the good old tried and true low-pressure cast technique. Now let's go ahead and get into the specifications of the wheels, because if you're like me, I like to nerd out over that stuff. But we'll start with the 18x9 wheel first. This has a positive 24mm offset, 5.94-inch back spacing, and then for what it's worth, without a tire, they're gonna tip the scale at about 25 pounds. The lip distance on the 18x9 wheel, that's 31 millimeters or 1.22 inches, which is the same as the 17-inch version. So switching gears over here to the rear 18x10-inch wheel, it has a positive 20 millimeter offset, 6.29-inch back spacing, and then it tips the scale at about 26.5 pounds. Now, because of the inch wider diameter, we felt that the lip needed to be a little bit more exaggerated, and that's what we did with the 18x10-inch wheel. It has a 75 millimeter lip, which equates to 2.95 inches. All right, so as far as fitment notes go, y'all know me. We can sit here and talk about fitment notes, it seems like, for a half hour, I guess. But like you've heard me say in other videos, read through the product description, read through the fitment notes on the product pages, because we have a lot of good info for you there. That way you can make a good, educated buying decision for the 18-inch Mach 1 wheel. But I would like to point out one thing while we're here, and that's tire selection. Whenever we were playing around with this wheel and mounting up a few different tires, they all look great. But there's always usually that one, maybe 2 or 3 options that you just kind of knocks your socks off. And that's the case here for the Nitto NT05 tire. That's what you see on the car. And up front on the 18.9, that's a 275/35/18. And then out back on the 18.10, that's a 295/35/18 tire. And I've always referred to tires as shoes. You know, you may wear an 11 in one brand, you may wear an 11.5 in the other. And that's what you're gonna find here with tires. And we figured we'd pass that information along to you. And the tire we like the best on the 18-inch Mach 1 style wheel is the Nitto NT05 in the sizes that I spoke about earlier. And then closing things out, of course, the warranty. I won't go into too much detail on that, but these are backed by a pretty dang good warranty, and you can check that out over on the product page. As we sign off, I've always kind of liked this wheel. I know I say that on every wheel it seems like, but it obviously fits well on a 2003-2004 Mach 1. But I believe there are those SN95s and other new Edge cars out there where this wheel could work. You know, just because of other exterior modifications and, you know, kind of just how certain people have the car set up to their individual liking. So as always, if you find value in what we do, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and then till we catch you in the next one, for all things 94 to 04 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.